Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. For this video I might borrow the title from a YouTube clown which does automotive videos. He will do this. Oh, I'm sitting in the most reliable Toyota which was ever made. And then he keeps talking about something else. He also does rev up your engines. But he's revving up somebody else's car which he was maybe working on. He's an absolute clown of YouTube. It's completely laughable what he does. In 2 days later he will make a video, don't ever buy this Toyota. It's complete trash. And it's the same car. He's sitting in the same car. It's unbelievable. So just to lighten up, I think I will use his title. I'm sitting in the most reliable, affordable, gas-saving and practical vehicle Toyota ever made. I think so. Looking what the owner did with it, how practical it is and what gas mileage he gets from it, on top of it, how much this costed when it was new and what's the value of it today. Maybe this is the one. Maybe this is the one for commute, which doesn't break your bank, and in the same time it gets incredible gas mileage. Let's go look at this baby together. And you might say, Peter, hey, this is Toyota channel, so no BMWs. Well, look at it. It's a Toyota Echo BMW. This is 2002 Toyota Echo. It's a new customer. The vehicle has only 98,000 miles. He's a young gentleman who likes to perform certain services by himself. He's also a funny guy, as you can see. He's experiencing some rattling, maybe on passenger sides when the windows are open, which are open. I tried to go on the test drive. I said, hey, let's go together. Show me the rattle. I want you to show me. We want to hear it together. Because many times you guys bring your cars. I go on test drive. I hear nothing. This is some lunatic, homeless lunatic was walking by on the street. He saw it. He saw the whole thing and took a crowbar and just whacked his mirror off. It's not a Toyota problem. It's a mental illness, homeless problem. So, no window here. As you can see, we couldn't go together because this vehicle is so practical that he fits easily a bicycle here. So he just removed the seat. He likes to go biking. And he said, somewhere here, I will say on the passenger side, there are some noises. Especially when I will drive by the vehicles or the wall. As you can see, the sound will bounce. I tried my best. I test drove it, and guess what? I didn't hear any noises. So, why am I filming this? Well, the prices of gasoline in the United States right now are at the highest ever been, especially here in California, when we were paying $7 for normal 87 gas, and this is a big gas saver. I remember, I'm fully aware that these Echos, it's a 1.5 liter little engine. You don't even need a manual transmission, just this simple automatic transmission. I knew they do 45 miles per gallon. That's normal, I'm aware of it. These owners said, oh yeah, I even get better. I don't use AC because there's some problem with it. It's disconnected. Because if it will go on, it will stop the engine. So it's most likely the AC compressor is seized. But I didn't look at it. I just brought it in before it started raining, which you can hear. It just started raining. So I brought it in. I test drove it. Didn't hear any noises. The vehicle pulls slightly to the left. I saw that, so we will see what can be done on it. But the owner said, hey, I get pretty regularly 48 miles per gallon from this baby. So that's unbelievable. It's a very simple but comfortable vehicle. You will be surprised how this is comfortable to drive around. They are ugly. I know they are ugly. This car is not a beauty queen. We know that. It's just simple box. But yeah, one-handed never so easy as if I use two hands. Here we go. I should have just stopped the video, right? So, big simplicity. Engine 1NZ FE. It's a little 1.5 liter engine. He said this is disconnected because when he tried to put it on, I'm assuming the compressor which is down there is seized and shut off. You can see automatic transmission, dipstick, engine oil dipstick, right? Everything is easy. Everybody can kind of work on these by themselves, which also helps for keeping the cost of the maintenance down. If you remove these two 10 millimeters, you will, oh, there is more actually, 4 of those. You will remove this plastic cover. There are spark plugs immediately there, easy to get to. Engine air filter right here, 2 clamps, right? Very simple. Interesting thing, when Toyota was shipping these out, in the cabin behind the glove box there is a tray for cabin air filter. It's behind the glove box. Interesting fact for you Toyota maniacs. They were actually, to keep costs down, they will even not put that cabin air filter on the cheapest model, and it was the option for the owner if they wanna add it or not. I already looked. This one is missing, it's not there yet. The tray and everything is there. So I will put it in the notes for him that he can install cabin air filter if he wishes so. So what do you say? Little car, you can easily put 4 people in it. I don't recommend it, obviously. With this engine 1.5 liter, it's good for 1 or 2 people, I will say max, for the commutes. However, I can tell you, this engine, if you are alone, it's pretty peppy. You don't have to floor it, and it's very agile. It's pretty peppy, fast on the low acceleration in the city. It's pretty good. So, is it really the cheapest, the most reliable, most affordable and easy maintenance vehicle Toyota ever made? I forgot to say, at 98,000 miles on this engine, and with the age, if it was older designs, you will be dealing with the timing belt. This engine is already from the modern era and is timing. It has a timing chain, so he has not that expense coming on him of replacing timing belt. So maybe just maybe, this is at this moment the perfect vehicle for this hard financial times. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumb up and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. I will catch you in the next one.